Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that's not supposed to come out till February sometime. We're talking about the Air Jordan 1 Silver Toe. I was able to get my hands on the shoe early, so you know I had to bring it to the channel for you guys to check out. But before we do that, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop new content to the channel. And also, help us grow this channel to where it needs to be, man. You know, I'm getting a lot of positive feedback, man. So just help us continuously to keep growing this channel and help us get to 1,300 subscribers. And also, if you guys want to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter, you guys can follow us at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. And also, if you guys want to buy any Penny for Your Thoughts merch that you see me wearing in these videos, you guys can just head over straight to our website. The website is P4YT2016.com. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Air Jordan 1 Silver Toes. Let's get straight into the shoe. Let's start off here with the toe box. You have a metallic silver toe box here with the black around it. This is good premium leather. You know, this is pretty much the leather that they be using on retro ones, you know, pretty much for the last couple years now. You have a black tongue right here with the black laces. You have a mesh tongue. On the top of the tongue, you have a Nike Air right here. Slide over to the side of the shoe. You have that good premium shattered backboard leather right here in white. Then you have a black swoosh with the good leather there also. You have a black Jordan logo right here with the wings. Then you have more metallic silver coming over to the back throughout the whole shoe. Up here, you have leather up here on the top of the back of the shoe. And the inside, satin almost in the inside. You come over here to the side, you have more of that good premium white leather here with that good premium black swoosh. Come over here to the other side of the shoe, you have more black leather here, man. You have a white sole that's going around the whole shoe. Then you have a black sole right here on the bottom with the Nike logo. Pretty much on same things that's on pretty much every retro one, you know, that's out right now and that's been coming out forever, man. I just want to say good job here, Jordan brand, to come out with a shoe in February that pretty much you can wear, you know, a lot. You get a lot of wears out of this colorway here, man, and it looks real, you know, comfortable and clean, man. The leather on here is good premium leather, I must say myself. You know, sometimes you get that cheap leather on the retro ones, but this time around they pretty much gave the great premium leather on here, man. So if you guys are looking forward to getting a pair of these, man, this shoe would be something that you should be aiming for if you know, a fan of this color. You know, black, who isn't a fan of black, white, and gray? You know, metallic silver is a little different than gray, but you can get away with this, man. I think that Nike pretty much got this right with dropping this around this time right here. And they got a little creative with the metallic silver toe box, so that's a little more creative than what they've been doing lately. So I want to applaud them for that, man. But y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna have to keep it all the way true with y'all. I'm gonna give these joints, man, 4 out of 5 pennies because the leather on here is premium. And I just like the overall look of the shoe, and the colorway is really, really, really good. So I just like the overall whole thing that they got going on. So this is 4 out of 5 pennies ratings for me. If you disagree, leave in the comments below. More of the same with the stuff. You know it's gonna be really hard to get this shoe. So you know, you guys should be trying to be putting your bids in now, man. You know how the whole Foot Locker thing goes, man. If you guys are trying to join the Foot Locker raffle, you guys should be buying a lot of stuff so that way it heightens your chances to being able to win in those raffles, man. And yeah, man, I wish everybody who wants this shoe, I wish you guys the best of luck, man. We were able to get over here early, so I had to bring it to the channel. And with that being said, we keeping the 100 and not a penny less. Peace.